Alright, hey YouTube, this is Angry Panda. Doing a little gun review. This is something I've never done on my channel. As a matter of fact, I've never utilized my channel. So this is actually one of the first times. So if you see me looking around, I'm driving back to the house on this beautiful Sunday, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everybody. But let's get into it. So about 3 weeks ago, I got a new gun. I got the Springfield Hellcat. I traded that, got a brand new one, and was very excited to see it. To see it and to grab it and hold on to it and to have it, finally be an owner of one. However, I wasn't able to shoot one till just now. Just came from one of the local gun shops that's got a range, and decided I'm going to put 50 rounds through it real quick. I brought 100 rounds with me. I said, let me put 50 rounds just to make sure it's something that's functioning properly, and so I can test the recoil and see if it's something I want to continue to invest my time and money into. So that's what I did. Springfield Hellcat comes with 2 magazines, 11 round mag and a 13 round mag. So I go ahead and I put in the 11 round mag and bust off some shots. First mag, I was pleasantly surprised because the gun is because it's so small. I was really expecting some wicked recoil, and that's not the case. The gun is definitely manageable. I put in the 13 round mag, and it was more manageable and more of a joy to shoot. Now, with that being said, you can tell, I guess because my expectations were so high on the recoil, you can tell that this gun has a significantly more of a recoil than some of the other smaller guns because it's so tiny. Again, very manageable. So I shot both magazines and I liked it. I just kind of shot it out there real quick to see where I'm hitting, and I slowed down and aimed a little bit more, and I got to get used to that U-notch sight. But once I get used to that, which did not take me long, once I got used to it, it wasn't too much of a problem. I'm not the best shooter in the world, but I will get the job done. So I shot 50 rounds through it. After the 50 rounds, you can definitely tell that I was gripping the gun a little tighter than some of the other guns I've shot because the recoil is pretty snappy. So to get it back on target and everything, yeah, I was gripping it a little bit more, which means that recoil was getting more and more noticeable the more rounds that I put through it. Maybe it's just me. So I said, you know what? Let me take out my current carry gun, which is my Smith & Wesson Shield. So I pulled that out, and I said, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison as far as the recoil and how it's acting on me. So 5 rounds in each extended mag, and let's go back to back. And that's exactly what I did. I did that a few times, and I will tell you, the Smith & Wesson Shield is still a softer shooting gun. I've never shot a gun so small that shoots so big. If that makes sense to you guys. It's a small gun, but it just shoots like a bigger gun. Yes, it only comes with a 7 round mag and an 8 round mag. Yes, it's bigger than some of the other concealed guns, but it feels so good to shoot. I was putting the bullets where I need to, rounds down range were going pretty much where I needed them to go. I was grouping it, and it was a great thing. Had I never shot the Shield, had I never shot the 43, the Glock 43, had I never shot these smaller guns, I would say the Springfield Hellcat would be king in my personal opinion. Now, I can easily get rid of my Shield and make the Hellcat a primary carry, and I would lose no sleep about it. Let's just put it that way. I would lose no sleep about it. I would carry it proudly. I would train with it. I'd buy the couple different holsters, and I would carry it daily. No doubt about it. But because I've shot some of these other guns, specifically the Shield, Smith & Wesson Shield, it is hard for me to let go of that. When I'm shooting that gun, it feels right to me. It feels great. There's a couple other guns I want to shoot. I really wanted to shoot the SIG P365, but I just don't think I'm going to like that gun. I'm not sure. Might still do it. But I definitely am in the market of shooting the 43X. So I'll probably still shoot the 365 just to give it a fair shake, and then the 43X. And we'll see if the Shield is still king after that. But all right, YouTube. Thanks.